The box. I ordered it. It came. Now I must open it for our pleasure.
Or at least mine. You might not find it pleasurable, but I do. That's why I do these videos. Not for you, but for me. So, it's a new box. I don't know what's in it. Since it's Halloween today, it's the 31st of October today, and hopefully I will have this video up during the day. I will edit and fix it and everything today, and yeah. And the best thing would be if it was full of Halloween stuff. So maybe I'll make it a Halloween part 3. Maybe. We will see. I will just open it and we will see if it's Halloween or if it's Hallowon't. Sorry for the pun. First up, it's some plastic, and I always like plastic, you know. You can use it for anything. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna throw this away. Next up, it's Hellboy Lobster Johnson. What does it say? Vinyl figure. Lobster Johnson. And yeah, I don't like Funko, or at least Funko Pop. I don't know. No, this is not for me. I don't even remember Lobster Johnson. I have read some of the comic books, but I don't remember him. But he's not in the movie, at least in the movies. Maybe it's in the new one. But yeah, that's Rasputin, Lobster Johnson, Queen of Blood, Abe Sapien, Liz Sherman, Hellboy, or Ron Perlman. She's in the new one with David Holbor, whatever. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it because what's his name? Neil Marshall is doing it, and he's done some great stuff. I mean, Dog Soldiers. Have you seen Dog Soldiers? It's awesome. Or The Descent is also awesome. What else? Legion was... No, not Legion. He did Centurion, I think. And I remember it being good. Not amazing, but good. But not the... He did one with the Rona Mitra. Some kind of action, sort of Escape from New York-ish, but in Scotland or something. I don't remember it being very good, but yeah, hopefully Hellboy will be good. Unfortunately, it's Mila Jovovich as Queen of Blood, and she's a terrible actress. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, it's Lobster Johnson. Hopefully I can sell it. Bye bye. Next, Dead Rising 4. Loot crate again. It's a loot crate item. This is a ZBOX, not a loot crate. Well, let's see what's inside. Something heavy. I'm just gonna guess. Yes, it's a utility knife or, you know, Swiss Army knife kind of thing. What? Maybe, or maybe not. Yes, it is. Yes. Oh, yeah. This is this is cool. This is really cool. Is there anything else? Yeah, here's the knife, I think. See if I can get it all out. How do you get it out? Oh, it's hard doing it through the viewfinder. I have to look to the side. Yeah. There you go. Here's a screwdriver. There's another screwdriver. There's bottle opener and screwdriver. And there's a nail file? No. Yeah, maybe nail file and some sort of thing. I don't know what this is. And this is ooh. How do you turn it on? Ooh. Now this is nice. I might just start carrying this around everywhere. Huh. And I don't even care if it's a loot crate item. This is really cool. This is something useful. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it won't break. Frank West. It's the star of the guy that played him in at least the first one, I think. Maybe the second one. I don't know. I don't remember if he was even the main character in any other. But it's the star of Bigfoot versus DB Cooper, which is a piece of crap. It's softcore porn, basically, gay porn by David Ikoto. Yes, it's not good. It's an amazing cover, but the movie is shit, and it lies to you. You think it's really Bigfoot versus DB Cooper, but it's just a bunch of shirtless dudes running around. Yeah, but this is a nice thing. This is very nice. Okay, let's see what's on the slab. It's it. It is it. It is what? It. Yeah. Let's see. Let's have a look at the pins. It. I think the new it is okay. It is okay. It's not a horror movie, but it's okay. And maybe this is just because, no, it's not just because I'm Swedish, but Bill Skarsgård. Bill Skarsgård. That's how you pronounce it. He's amazing. I mean, he did a fantastic job. So that's good. So yeah, I will watch it again just for him. These are I don't really use pins that much, but my wife does, so she can have those. She can put it all over a bag. Let's put this back. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. It's a t-shirt, and I see it's the Wolfman with a kind of 3D thing going on. But the first Universal Tales of Monster Terror. Monster. Universal Tales of Monster Terror. The Wolfman. Let's see. When the autumn moon is bright, terror strikes in 3 dimensions. Yeah, sure. This is nice. It's hard to get a full view, but yeah, you can see. Yeah, sure. Yeah, this is nice. I like it a lot. I do love me some Wolfman. And so far it's basically just been Halloween stuff, so yeah, this is a Halloween episode. Yeah, that's cool. Three Halloween episodes in 1 month. That's good. Let's see what's next. A comic book, Stranger Things. Nice looking cover. Yeah, Stranger Things is the first season is really good. The second season is not so good. This seems to follow the first season, the first episode, I think. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's he's in the what's it called, the upside down. Yeah, it's in the upside down, and he's trying to find. So this is I think it's separate. I don't remember this from the season, the episode, but I don't. Maybe it happened, but it could be what happens to him outside of what we see. Yeah, we don't know what happened. Yeah, that's right. I think he just disappeared. It's been a while. It's been a couple of not a couple of years. Yeah, a couple of years. Yeah, a couple of years. I think, because wasn't the first season was October? Was it 2016? And the second season was October 2017. And this time it skips a year, I think. I'm not sure. I don't really follow it. Second season isn't very good, unfortunately. It just ran out of steam. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Amazing! Yes, wow, this is awesome! The Thing is my favorite movie of all freaking time. So this is... yeah, I don't... everything else could have been shit. And this would have made up for it, because... oh, I love that movie. Nobody trusts anybody now. Yeah, that's MacLeod who said that. Let's see if... what does it say? What does it mean? What does it mean? Somebody in the camp ain't what he appears to be. Yeah, I think that's MacLeod as well. Maybe it's when they do the blood test. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is fantastic. It's fantastic. It's kind of great timing, because this is a John Carpenter movie, and tonight I am going to the cinema to watch original Halloween and the new Halloween double feature. And I'm wearing my John Carpenter t-shirt that I got when I saw him live in Oberhausen in Germany during the Weekend of Hell, I think it was called, the festival, not festival, convention. But yeah, well, that was a great concert. If you get a chance to see John Carpenter and you really like his music, yeah, see him. But this is cool. Very nice details. Very nice details. Thing. Okay, well, I think that's it. Ended on the best thing ever. So, oh, maybe no. If it was the Thing pop, then no. It would still be. It would be bad. But this is not a pop, so it's still good. Happy Halloween, everyone.